Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is dig. 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 The verb to dig means to use a tool, usually a shovel, and to push that tool into the ground, like into the dirt, in order to create a hole or to find something that is hidden in the ground. Here's an example. The man is digging a hole with a shovel. The man is digging a hole with a shovel. The man is digging a hole with a shovel. Push. 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 The verb to push is the opposite of the verb to pull. So when we move something towards us, we use the verb to pull. When we move something away from us, we say we push that thing. Here's an example. The man is pushing the car. The man is pushing the car. The man is pushing the car. Climb. 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 The verb to climb means to move your body up the side of something or to move your body in an upward motion using your hands and your feet. So we might use this when we talk about someone going up the side of a building or when someone climbs a big rock. We talk about it with this verb to climb, which means to go up that thing with your body. Here's an example. The woman is climbing the face of the cliff. The woman is climbing the face of the cliff. The woman is climbing the face of the cliff. Shake one's head. Shake one's head. Shake one's head. The expression to shake one's head refers to this motion. So we usually use this motion when we want to say no to something. This is the different form of nodding your head, which is usually like this, which we use when we want to say yes to something. Here's an example. My mom shook her head when she heard my answer. My mom shook her head when she heard my answer. My mom shook her head when she heard my answer. Twist. 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 The verb to twist usually means to move two parts of something in the opposite direction. Like when we twist a towel, one side moves away from us, one side moves towards us, and water comes out. You might also see it used to mean that something is spinning very fast, like in this example sentence. The tornado is twisting across the prairie. The tornado is twisting across the prairie. The tornado is twisting across the prairie. Catch. 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 The verb to catch means to receive or to accept something that was in the air, something that was flying. So when we are talking about sports, for example, and one player passes a ball to another player, the player can successfully catch the ball by receiving it. Here's an example. The American football player is about to catch the ball. The American football player is about to catch the ball. The American football player is about to catch the ball. Build. 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 The word build can have a couple different uses. As a verb, it can mean to create, like to build a house or to build a company, but we can also use build to talk about a person's stature, which means how large or how small or how wide or how thin they are. Here's an example. He is 6 feet and has a big build. He's 6 feet and has a big build. He is 6 feet and has a big build. Healthy. 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 The adjective healthy means someone or something that is good for the body. So foods that are healthy have lots of vitamins and good nutritious qualities about them. And when we talk about a person who is healthy, it's somebody who exercises, who gets the right amount of sleep, and these kinds of good things. Here's an example. Fruit is healthy and full of vitamins and minerals. Fruit is healthy and full of vitamins and minerals. Fruit is healthy and full of vitamins and minerals. Skinny, skinny, skinny. Skinny is an adjective we use usually when we talk about people, though we might also use it when we talk about animals. Someone or something who is skinny is something that is very, very thin. Here's an example. The man is skinny. The man is skinny. The man is skinny. Short, short, short. Short has a couple different uses. When we use it to talk about someone's body, it means someone who is not very tall. We can also use it to talk about things that are not long. And when we use it to talk about things like classes or music, it's also for things that are not long, like a short song or a short class. Here's an example. The father is tall, but the son is short. The father is tall, but the son is short. The father is tall, but the son is short. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the verb that means to push a tool into the ground to make a hole or to find something in the ground? Dig. Dig. And how to say the verb that is the opposite of to pull? Push. Push. What about the verb that means to move up an object, like a building or a rock, with your hands and feet? Climb. Climb. Do you remember how to say the expression that means to make this motion to show that you want to say no? Shake one's head. Shake one's head. Let's try the verb that means to move two parts of an object in opposite directions. Twist. Twist. What about the verb that means to receive or to accept something that was in the air? Catch. Catch. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the word that means how big or small or wide or thin someone is. Build. Build. Another one. What about the adjective that we use to talk about things that are good for the body or to describe people that have good habits? Healthy. Healthy. Do you remember how to say the word that means someone or something that is very, very thin? Skinny. Skinny. And finally, do you remember how to say the word that is the opposite of long or tall? Short. Short. Well done. See you next time. Bye.